Couch. Picture muna, picture. Without much ado, let us proceed to the highlights. Miss Sedenio. Dali na, Miss Sedenio. So dito ka?
Dance mo, dance, dance. Dance mo lang, dance.
Si Monica.
I-dance si Shane, i-dance. I-dance. Ibigay mo kay Shane. Yan, dance o dance. Nakisdog dito na ko. Dito sa... Nan.
Ayan, palakpakan po natin. Next in line, we have the Lady Pink. So, antayin natin makarating yung second bago ka alis, ha? Dito ka muna sa Pink. Dili sa kape, mag-picture mo doon kung saan natin po. Ayan. Ayan, i-dance mo naman si Monica Shane. Ayan, palakpakan natin. Next, sino yung sunod? Ayun sa bawat ayan. Kakayo ko talikod sa audience side view.
Ato bang, Hana?
Hana. Ayan. Tingin-tingin kayo doon. At saka, magkaway-kaway naman. Next. Pangalan? Ano ka ba ni? We have Julie Budoy.
Ilis? Sa? Ano man? Walay gas ko dito ay ko.
Pakinig niya na lang pala ang sunod para tawagan lang ako. Okay, padayon kayo.
Yun sa'yo next.
You see, padayon na lang. Okay, dito. I-dance. I-dance mo siya, i-dance.
Kapila na nalan. Kapila. Ako ang last piece.
We have Elsa Del Puerto. That's okay, palakpakan.
In the quiet hours of early morn, a soft melody begins to form. Your smile lingers like a whispered tune in the hush of a waking afternoon. Every glance sparks a tender light, illuminating dreams in the gentle night. I pen these words with all my care, hoping you sense the love I share. This little love song written just for you hums the truth of what we always knew. Every note and every line says I'm yours and you're forever mine. A simple tune from heart to heart, a quiet love that will never depart. Under skies brushed with a soft blue hue, I see a reflection that feels so true. Every laugh, each silence
Happy birthday, Shane!
fills my world with a glow that won't pass.
From Ate Sharon. Thank you, Ate Sharon. Thank you. Second treasure from Tita Mayin from Manila. Yan. Thank you so much, Tita Mayin. Ha? A wish? Wala mas na din eh. Ay, ikaw na lang wish, Mama Juby. Wish na lang.
Wish. Hello. Shane, wish ako is si Shane mas mag-develop ang iyang talent tapos madayon siya sa pagkabutan and salamat sa paglap kang iya ate nakakaroon. Happy birthday Ate Shane, I love you.
Sa blue bill, kailangan ko kayo ng isang bill na kulay blue sa inyong mga wallet. Yes, yun ang Gemma.
Anytime
Diba?
now. Tita Fee. Thank you sa bills, Tita Fee. Saan yan? Di mo, Shane? Palit ni mo, Og. Dilaan. Loves, thank you, loves. God bless.
Kayo mag-blow ng candles. We'll count off kayo. Let's say all together.
Wait lang
Happy birthday, Monique! In 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, thank you so much. Palakpakan po natin.